जर्नी आसान नहीं था, बहुत टफ था, बट इससे ज़्यादा मैं उम्मीद भी नहीं रखता हूँ कि यही काफ़ी है। जितना करना चाहिए था, जितना कर सकता था मेरे हिसाब से मैंने किया है। और मैंने बाकी जो बच्चे लोगों को एक रास्ता भी दिखा रहा है कि आपका रास्ता इजी नहीं हो सकता है, आपको टफ रहना है, आपको हार्ड रहना है और आपको जीतना है।
Good day for India at the Paris Games. A medal in hockey and athletics. Hello everyone, we are back with the bulletin from Paris Olympics. Let's start the bulletin with the results first.
India's Neeraj Chopra won silver in the men's javelin throw final. His throw of 89.45 meters was the season's best, as well as the second best of his career. Out of the 6 throws, Neeraj got only 1 legal throw in. Neeraj's rival and Pakistan's Arshad Nadeem dethroned the Indian as he registered a new Olympic record of 92.97 meters with his second throw, and that put pressure on Neeraj throughout the final. Anderson Peters of Grenada won the bronze with his 88.54 meter throw. Nadeem registered 91.79 meters with his final throw as well and was the star of the night and the new Olympic champion. The silver medal in Paris is Neeraj's second straight Olympic medal after the gold in Tokyo. Indian hockey team registered a 2-1 victory over Spain to win the bronze medal in Paris. Harmanpreet Singh scored a brace for India after Mauritius put Spain ahead in the 18th minute. Mauritius had an opportunity again in the final minutes to get the equalizer, but India, led by veteran goalkeeper PR Srijesh, defended well to deny the opponents and win their second straight bronze medal at the Olympics. Harmanpreet took his tally to 10 goals. Harmanpreet's men had raised their level whenever needed. India had raised their level whenever needed. They began their campaign with wins over New Zealand, Ireland and a draw with Argentina, lost to Belgium before stunning Australia for the first time since 1972. Defeated Great Britain in the quarterfinals, and they put on a close fight against Germany in the semis before falling short. And now a win against Spain to seal the bronze medal. The result means India has won back-to-back Olympic medals after 52 years.
बिल्कुल जी, बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है क्योंकि बैक टू बैक मेडल जीतना बहुत बड़ी बात होती है। क्योंकि हमारा तो लक्ष्य यही था मेन टोक्यो के बाद कि कलर जो है चेंज करना है, बट स्टिल अगर देखा जाए कि शुरू से लेके बहुत अच्छी हॉकी खेली हमने। एक सेमीफाइनल जो हमने लूज़ किया वो भी एक अच्छा मैच गया था, ऐसा नहीं है कि हम ख़राब खेले थे, बहुत अच्छा मैच खेले थे कि रिदम अच्छा रहा था, बट स्टिल ब्राउन्स के लिए हमने लड़ना था। जो ऊपर वाले ने लिखा होता है वो ही होता है, तो आई थिंक वो बेस्ट रहा है कि हमने ब्राउन्स मेडल जीता है।
Jyoti Araji finished 4th in the women's 100 meters hurdles repechage round and failed to make the semis. The only Indian to feature in the men's wrestling competition in Paris, Aman Sherawat lost in the semis to his Japanese opponent and will fight for the bronze medal in the 57 kg category. Aman beat Zelim Khan of Albania to qualify for the semi-finals. Earlier, he had beaten Vladimir Igorov of North Macedonia to make it to the quarterfinals. Meanwhile, Anshu Malik lost her opening bout against Helen Maroulis of USA in the women's 57 kg round of 16 match. If Maroulis, the former Olympic and world champion, reaches the final, Anshu Malik will have another shot in the repechage round. And in the women's golf individual event, Diksha Dagar and Aditya Ashok are tied 14 after round 2's action.
Let's have a look on the medal tally. Let's see how many Indians are going to participate today at the Games.
In the women's 4x400 meters relay, Jyotika Sridandi, Kiran Pahal, Puvama Raju, Vidya Ramaraj and Shubha Venkatesan will take to the track. In the men's 4x400 meter relay round 1, Amol Jacob, Rajesh Ramesh, Santosh Kumar, Mohammad Ajmal and Mohammad Anas will be in action. In wrestling, in the bronze medal match, Aman Sherawat will fight Darwin Cruz of Puerto Rico in the men's freestyle 57 kilograms category. And in golf, Aditya Ashok and Diksha Dagar will be in action in the women's individual stroke play round 3.
That's all for now. Keep following us for more updates.